Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn how to use the masking tool in Photoshop. So using the masking tool, we're going to change the color of this Lamborghini stripes to red. So let's start by putting a mask on this layer. You come down to the bottom right and click the mask icon. So if the layer mask is white, it shows your image. If the layer mask is black, your image is hidden. To toggle the layer mask, you just press Command I and it'll switch through black or white. So to paint these lines red, we're gonna have the canvas on black and we're gonna select a white brush. We're gonna press B for the brush tool. Right click to adjust the size to what we want and the hardness. I'll have that about 85%. Then we're gonna zoom in here. And we're just going to start painting in the lines. One useful tip for when you're painting a straight line is you can click, hold shift, and click again, and it'll draw a perfectly straight line to where you just clicked. This makes it a lot quicker when you're doing long straight segments in a photo. So there you go, the lines are now red on this Lamborghini. So one thing that's useful about a layer mask is say you messed up around the headlight and you brushed in a bunch of red that you didn't want and you went over the line. You can change the color of your brush by pressing X and then just remove that back out. This is an advantage that a layer mask has over using an eraser because you can bring back data that you've already deleted. So there's it before and there's it with the red stripes. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.